Anyways. True or false? Corresponding angles are always congruent. That's a false. They're not always, right? The lines have to be parallel. That's why I said read carefully. So just be honest today. It's not going to hurt you in the long run, not as much. Consecutive interior angles are complementary. That is false. If anything, they would be supplementary. So the complementary kind of got rid of it. Vertically opposite angles are always congruent. That is true. It doesn't matter, right? Any two lines that meet, the opposite, vertically opposite, would always be congruent. Sum of interior angles in a triangle are always supplementary. That is also true. They always add up to 180. If two lines are parallel, then the alternate exterior angles are always congruent. That is true. So that should have given it away. Like, go back to A and check that. If consecutive interior angles are congruent, then the two lines that lie in between are parallel. That's false, because it would have to read consecutive interior angles are supplementary, right? So this kind of took it out. Consider the diagram to the right. Use the name for the following angle pairs. So A and B are right here. You can say supplementary or straight angle. Okay? Supplementary or straight angle, that's fine. AG are alternate interior. DH, they're consecutive interior. If you wrote CIAs, it's okay. Consecutive interior angles. C and D, vertically opposite. CE, corresponding. GF, alternate exterior. AF, where's AF? Corresponding as well. Yeah. See? It's not bad, eh? So much fun. All right, next. I'm trying my best to make this fun. I'm running out of options here. What do we know about these two? They're alternate interior, they're congruent. So to find x, our journey to find x is 36x minus 9. Sure, you can do the brackets if you'd like, but you don't need to. This is what you need there. And so to solve for x, you're going to get 1 mark. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring all the constant values there and all the x's this way. So it's 36x minus 63x. And on the other side, you have negative 90. And this negative 9 comes over adding. Yeah. Okay. So there you have negative 27x is equal to negative 81. Yeah. Divide both sides by negative 27. X is equal to 3 degrees. Yep. Did you get x is equal to 3?
Yeah.
Then we're good. Then we're good. Yeah. There are different ways of doing it. I'm curious to see. I want to see it later. But yeah, if you get x is equal to 3, that's good. So you get 1 mark for this, for x is equal to 3. And then we're going to figure out A. Or B, it doesn't matter. But A is the same thing as the angle vertically opposite to it, right? So you can actually figure out A by just using that expression, 36x minus 9. Okay? So that gives you 99 degrees. And what do you think B is going to be? It better be 99, right? Because the alternate interior are the same. So I'm just going to go ahead and say 99. So you get 1 mark for stating both of the angles A and B, and 1 mark for coming up with x equal to 3. So this page, 6 and 7, 13, and 2 is 15. So this page is out of 15 if you'd like to already have a subtotal there. And back side. mystery angles. Okay. So another strategy would be, if you see 110 and you have a vertically opposite, you can feel free to just say, hey, that's 110, right? So some students like to fill in already what they know. If this is 137, then this one is going to be supplementary to it. So this is 43, right? So there are lots of things you can already do, right? You add these two up, that's 153. So this is 27 there. So just fill in what you know, okay? Let's keep going here. Let's actually do it official here though. I already told myself it's 27, so I'm just going to enter that here. And how did I find that? I used sum of triangle, but you could also use this one. This 27 and that angle A there, alternate interior. You could have used that, okay? So I'm going to use alternate interior angles are congruent. And maybe have a highlighter going this way. Okay, that's what I've used there. And how about I tell my audience how I found D next. So I did this first maybe. D is next, and it's 43 degrees, supplementary angles. Do I need to show the subtraction? Not really, but it doesn't hurt. Then I will find B next. What's 137 and this one up here? Corresponding, right? I don't know if you saw that. And so B is my third option, and it's going to be 137. Corresponding angles are congruent. And maybe, just maybe, I'll say this one goes with that one right there. Right, that's how I found that one. Very busy. C is vertically opposite, okay? So that's 110. Vertically opposite angles are congruent, okay? Done. So this is how I go with it. You get half a mark for the number, half a mark for the correct justification. And yes, your justifications might be different. Today you're the teacher. If you came up with these numbers, I'm just going to trust that you knew what you were doing. Okay. Keep going. So 4 marks there. These ones are, right, lines are parallel. Why? Because corresponding angles are congruent. That's it. Or you could have said corresponding angles are congruent, therefore lines are parallel. It doesn't matter. These two here are alternate exterior. So I can say this: alternate exterior angles are not congruent, therefore lines are not parallel. Okay, sorry, you can see that. So 1 mark, 1 mark. This, this one will get 1.5, 1.5, and this one will get 2 here, this last one. So basically the first thing that, don't think that 59 and 57 are anything. There is no name for these because, right, the 59 is created by 2 lines that are not parallel. So, but A and 57 is something. So the first step should be to find angle A. Go 180 minus 64 minus 59. Okay. And so that gives you 57, yeah. So this is 57 now, and we say that corresponding angles are congruent, therefore lines are parallel. Okay. So you get an extra half a mark for the extra work you had to do there. So this is half, and this is 1.5. So we are at 9 for this back page here. 9 total with the chart up there. 15 and 9 is 24. Okay, so that makes this AC worth 24 marks. Please put your name and last name on it.